You see, as someone that actually creates a lot of YouTube short for my YouTube short channels, one problem that I faced over the period of time is being able to attach my custom made thumbnail to my YouTube short videos. Okay. Now, I went through that problem for quite a period of time until I was able to figure it out. Okay. So that is what I'm going to be showing you in this video on how you can successfully create your own thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, and how you can actually add it to your YouTube short. Okay. Let me quickly show you how to do that. Okay, so basically, we're going to be using CapCut to do this. Okay. Now you can decide to create your thumbnail either on Canva. Oh, but personally, I like creating my thumbnail on CapCut here. Okay, so I just do everything, the editing and the thumbnail. I just do everything here. Okay, so you can just design yours too here. I'm not going to be going through the process of designing your thumbnail, your custom thumbnail here, but it's quite simple. All you just need to do is just to bring down your picture here. They have text here, they have text, they have everything here. So they have stickers here where you can get virtually everything you need for your thumbnail. Then just create your thumbnail. Okay, and you can export it as an image, okay, not video. So you click these three dots up here, okay, then you're going to click on this export still frame, right? If I click on it now, you can see automatically it's going to be exported as a still frame that you can use as your custom thumbnail. Okay, I haven't said that on how to create the thumbnail. Let's quickly go to the video. Okay, so quickly let me add a video here to the timeline. Okay, if you upload this video to YouTube, okay, YouTube on its own is just going to pick any of these images here. Okay, it's just going to use any part of this video as a thumbnail, which is a generic thumbnail. In most cases, this generic thumbnail, they don't really get you that numbers. Let me quickly show you something here on YouTube. Okay, so let me go down here and show you something on YouTube. If you come to YouTube here, right, you can see the crazy numbers that some of these videos are making, right? You can see this video has Ghana 44 million view, right? Now it's because they use this particular empty as their own thumbnail. Okay, so you can see this other one, you can see this, they're gathering a whole lot of views. Okay, so you should be able to choose what you want, not YouTube giving you just generic image that they want you to use as your thumbnail. Okay, so that is the major reason why you need your custom thumbnail. Okay, so here now you can see, like I rightly said, I don't really like any of those images that I can use for my thumbnail. So I'll take the cursor towards the end of the video. Then I'm just going to pick this, right? Okay, you can see the thumbnail that I created. I'm going to add it here. Now, if you look at it, it's very, very long. Okay, so I have to resize it, take it back this way. Okay, so you're just going to come this way. Okay, so you can see this is how it's going to look like. When the video plays, you can see just a very short size of the custom thumbnail. Okay, so now I'm going to download this video this way. All right, now when I download it this way, I'm not going to upload the video on my desktop. Okay, not on my laptop. You have to upload it on your mobile for you to be able to adjust this thumbnail to be what people, your viewers, are going to see whenever they go on YouTube and they want to click on your video. Okay, this is what they are going to be seeing, not any generic parts that YouTube is going to be picking for you. Okay, so quickly let me export this. Okay, as soon as I export it, then I'm also going to upload it, okay, to YouTube on the mobile. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so as you can rightly see on my screen, this is my YouTube on the mobile, right? So if you check down here, you can see I have the normal YouTube app here. Okay, then if you go down this way, you're going to see the YouTube Studio. Now, remember, you're not going to be uploading using this YouTube Studio, okay? You're going to be uploading using the normal YouTube app that you use in watching videos, okay? So let me click on it. I'm going to click on it on YouTube, okay? So this is it, right? So here you can see shorts here. Then I'm going to click on this plus icon. Let me click on it. So after clicking on it, it's going to bring me to this interface where we have this add from gallery. Okay, so I'm going to click on add from gallery. Then here I'm going to upload the video. Okay, so let me quickly upload the video. Then I'm going to click on next. Sorry about that. Okay, then I'm still going to click on done. Then the video is going to be uploaded. Okay, sorry about that. So here you can see, then I'm going to click on next again. right? So on this interface, this is where the video is being uploaded, okay? So before I upload the shot completely, right, you're just going to come up here to your left-hand corner here. Then you're going to click on this edit button that you are seeing here, okay? Right? It's going to bring us here, right? So all we need to do now is just to hover this, right? We're going to hover towards the end. So let me just do that. See, let me just quickly do that. Can see now towards the end, right? So you can see we now have the thumbnail, right? This is the thumbnail that we actually created on CapCut, okay, and added towards the end of the video. Like as you can rightly see here, this is where we added it, and that is why if you check the mobile, you can see it's at towards the end of the video, okay? So if I click on this button up here now, automatically this is the thumbnail that we've chosen for this video. This is what people are going to be seeing on YouTube, okay? Now, you agree with me that this thumbnail looks catchy, okay? Whoever sees this, whoever that is into fitness that sees this will want to click on it, okay? So we're going to choose this. So automatically you can see it has become the thumbnail. Then you just go ahead. I'm just going to click on upload shots, okay? So that is how easy and simple it is for you to actually add your own custom thumbnail to your YouTube shot, okay? Now, I want to believe you got value, and if you got value from this video, don't forget to like the video and also please subscribe to the channel, right? I'll see you guys in the next one. Do take care of yourself and bye-bye for now.